Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your shipping address on the StockX app. Firstly, go to the StockX app. Once the app is opened, you will be on the home page. Tap on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is the profile option. After that, you may see the profile option on top. Tap on that. Then, below personal information, you may see shipping info. Tap on that. Here, you have to enter your details like your first and last name, your country, your street address, your city, your state or region, your postal code, and lastly, your phone number. Once you've filled in all the details correctly, tap on Save. Then your address will be added and you can use this address to receive your items from StockX. This is how you can easily add your shipping address on StockX. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.